2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 1280. This video I am going to solve this exponential equation. First, we know if a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n, right? As per exponential law. So this case we can write 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus 1. Plus here is also same thing, 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 1 equals to 1280. Now this one we can take common from this expression 2 to the power x, so it will be 2 to the power minus 1. As per negative exponent we can write this one 2 to the power minus 1, or if anybody want can be write 1 by 2. So we can do it next line, and here is a 2 to the power 1, or it's only 2, so 1280. Now this one is a 2 to the power x, and this one we can write 1 by 2, and this one is a 2 equals to 1280. And now here is a 2 to the power x, we can make a LCM, so it's a 2, 1 plus 2 times 2 is a 4 equals to 1280. Now 2 to the power x and times, it will be 1 plus 4 is a 5, divide 2, and here is 1280. And now by cross multiplication we can write 2 to the power x equals to 1280 divide 5 times 2. So 1280 we can divide by 5, right? 1280 divide 5, so it will be 256. 256 times 2, it means 512. And here is a 2 to the power x, and against 512 we can write 2 to the power 9, and finally we can write x equals to 9. How? We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equals to n. Therefore 2 and 2 base are same. Here power is x and here power is a 9, so we can write x equals to 9, and this is our answer. It's a very important math, right? Any kinds of competitive examination around the world, it's a grade 9 to 10 or math olympiad, IGCSE math, algebra 2, any kinds of math exam, these kinds of math you have to face. So please subscribe my channel, because by this channel you will get lots of things. Thank you.